Hello, Carol here. We're welcoming Therese as a new yogi for the Bottoms Down community. We're so glad to have her join us today. So everyone, enjoy this chair yoga class with Therese.
Hello and welcome to Bottoms Down Chair Yoga for Everyone. I'm Therese. I'm glad you've joined our community. Check out the Bottoms Down YouTube channel homepage for easy access to videos about whatever body area you want to work on. I also have a YouTube channel at theresehauk.com where there will be videos. Videos will cater to the amount of time you have for your yoga practice today, or if you want to stay standing or seated. If you haven't already, please click that little subscribe button. And don't forget, it's free. And we'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment and let us know what you think. In today's practice, we'll explore poses to work our legs. You'll only need a chair for today's class. So let's get started. Sit back in your chair. Close your eyes. Begin to focus on your breath, slowing your rate, deepening. Feel air moving deep to the bases of your lungs as you breathe in. And then you're slowly letting that air out as you exhale. If you've never done it before, count how long your inhale is. And then count how long your exhale is. Your goal is to make those two numbers equal. So whichever number was longer, that's the number you'll use. And now to add a little bit of challenge, try adding 2 to your exhale. Practicing deep breathing calms the body, slows the heart rate, just settles you down so you can focus on a nice workout. Let's go ahead and open our eyes. We're going to add a little movement to our breath. We're still going to breathe deeply, but let's go ahead and move the chest forward as you breathe in, lifting the chin. And then as you exhale, pull the belly back, round the spine, chin into the chest. This is a seated cat-cow. Breathing in as the chest comes forward, breathe out, round back. Wonderful way to warm up our spine. One more. Now come to center. Find your straight, tall spine. So your ears are above your shoulders, shoulders above hips. And now focus on the rib cage, and you're going to move the rib cage in a circle around your hips. Exhale as you circle forward. Inhale as you circle back. See how big you can make that circle. Good. Let's go the other way. And if you want, you can add a little bit of a head circle as you move that rib cage around. Whatever feels good for you today. This feels really good to me. Just lubricating our spine. Let's come back to center. Now create your seated mountain pose. We're going to bring our hands to our sides. Chest is open. Abs are engaged. Again, thinking about that straight line from the crown of your head down to your tailbone. On your next inhale, lift your arms overhead, reaching up. And as you exhale, press down. So you're using resistance as you move, as if you're under a water. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, press down. One more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. This time, let's lift and hold up. Now, keep your shoulders down. Keep your shoulders down. Chin is lifted, reaching up. Put your right hand on the side of the chair. And let's take a nice side stretch, reaching up and over. Ah, that feels good. Open wide as you inhale. Exhale, come over to the other side. Keep your arm above your body, above your head, your chest open to the front of the room. Inhale, open wide. Now take your left hand, cross to the right thigh, bring your right hand behind you on the chair, and you're going to turn your chest to the side of the room. You can look at the side of the room, or you can look behind you. Nice spinal twist. Inhale, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, move to the other side. Looking behind you. Belly is lifted. Spine is straight. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, open. Let's grab a sip of water. All right, scoot forward on your chair. And let's take our right ankle bone and move it to the right thigh. If this is not quite available for you, just put the ankle bone on your shin, kind of extending the leg here. Move your knee up and down, flexing the right foot to protect the right knee. Breathe in and extend the spine. And as you exhale, bring the chest forward to find that incredible stretch in the outer thigh, into the glute. This is an excellent sciatic stretch if you have sciatic issues. With stretching, we just want to stay in that spot where we feel the tug, feel the stretch. Stay there. It should not be excruciating. Breath holding, no. You move to the spot where you feel it, you stay there, and you breathe. Ideally, when you're doing deep stretching like this, you want to stay for about a minute. And then as you remain, you might notice that you feel a little bit of a release. And then you can come a little bit deeper. Inhale, lift up. We're going to take the same leg and swing it to the side, turning your body to the side of the room. Bring your elbows to your front thigh. And I want you to move this foot back as far as you can. Ideally, if you can straighten that back knee. It's okay if it's not, but as far back as you can get it. So you might be feeling a pretty powerful stretch in your quad and hip flexor right here. We're going to increase a little bit by bringing your hands to your front thigh and pressing the torso up. Woo, Oh yeah, there it is. Now take your right hand and reach forward. Reach, reach, reach. As you breathe in, lift the arm up. As you breathe out, big circle around, sweep through. Let's do that again. Inhale, lift. Exhale, circle. One more. Breathe in and lift. Breathe out, sweep. Inhale, lift, and hold this time. So you can stay right here. A little more. Lift the other arm straight up. A little more. Lift your chin. And then if it's available for you, see if you can reach your arms back. Ah, wonderful stretch. Hands to thigh. Bend your back knee. Turn and face me. And let's do the other side. So ankle bone on thigh. Remember, this is your option. Or here. Move that knee a little bit. Flex the foot. Inhale. Lengthen your spine. Flat back comes forward. Ah, there it is. Yes, right here. Deep breath. Stay with it. Maybe sinking a little deeper as you feel that release. Good. Breathe in, rise up. Left leg moves behind you as you turn your body. So your right cheek is on the chair, left cheek is off. Elbows to thigh, wiggle, jiggle, get that foot back as far as it will go. Maybe the knee is straight. Hands to front thigh. You might be here. As best you can, lifting, really deepening the stretch. Left arm comes forward. Breathe in, reach up. Breathe out, big circle through. Again, inhale, lift. Exhale, sweep. One more. Breathe in, lift. Breathe out, big circle. Lift and hold. Maybe your other arm. Maybe looking up at your hands. Final challenge, reaching back. Opening your heart. Good. Tuck your chin, hands lower. Slowly get out of that. Face me. Let's do some shoulder circles. Big, delicious shoulder circles. Slow. Breathing in as your shoulders come forward and back. Breathing out as they move back and down. Let's do one more. Hands to heart center. As you inhale, draw your elbows together. Open your fingers like a lotus blossom. As you exhale, curl the fingers down. Backs of the hands together, chin lowers. Breathing in, unfold, open. Breathe out, invert. One more. Good. Heart center. Let's sit back in our chair. We've slowly been moving to our final relaxation. So you're sitting back in your chair. Close your eyes. Moving back to your deep breath, just the way you started class. Slowing everything down. relaxing. Let's open our eyes. Lift your back away from the back of the chair. Hands move to heart center. Thank yourself for working hard today, practicing health, and I thank you. Namaste.